Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the third part of the second lab HTTP. Its name is retrieving log documents. Here we can know completely about the retrieving long documents. First of all, we have to go to Wireshark, start the packet capturing. We have to clear this one, start the packet capturing. Packets will load. We have to copy this and paste it in another tab. Okay. We have to go back to the Wireshark and stop the packet capturing. From this, we can answer the given questions. Question was, how many HTTP GET request messages did your browser send? Only one HTTP GET message was my browser sent. Second question, which packet number in the trace contains the GET message for the bill of rights? I have to show it here the packet number. These are the packet numbers, and for this the packet number is 70. So the answer is 70. Second question, which packet number in the trace contains the status code and phrase associated with the response to the HTTP GET request? For this, the response was this one, and in this we can see our own. We can see here that this was a phrase and this was a status code and this was a phrase, and its trace number means its packet number, so its packet number is 95. What is the status code and phrase in the response? In the response, the status code and phrase is, here we can see. If you want to know detail, you have to go to here, hypertext transfer protocol. Here status code 200, response phrase okay. Fourth question, how many data containing TCP segments were needed to carry the single HTTP response and the text of the bill of rights? You have to know, give answer that how many TCP segments were carrying, how many TCP segments were needed to carry this bill of rights file. Here the answer is 4 TCP segments were needed to carry the bill of rights single HTTP response. Thank you guys. Now we can start our fourth part of the second lab. Welcome guys. Now we are doing fourth part of the second lab, HTML documents with embedded objects. First of all, we have to go to Wireshark and start the packet capturing. It's a capturing. We have to copy this and paste it in another tab. We have to wait until the images are completely loaded so that we can answer the questions perfectly. Yeah, now it was completely loaded. We have to get back to Wireshark and stop the packet capturing now. In this display specification area, we have to enter HTTP. From this, we have to answer the questions given in the web page. First question, how many HTTP GET request messages did your browser send? Browser send HTTP GET request messages 1, 2, 3. We have sent 3 GET request messages. To which internet address were those GET requests sent? First GET request sent to 128.119.245.12 is destination. Second GET request sent to 128.119.245.12 and third GET request sent to 178.79.137.164. Next second question. Can you tell whether your browser downloaded the two images serially or whether they were downloaded from the two websites in parallel? Explain. I hope that these are downloaded in parallel, because from here we can see that the destination address of these two GET requests was same, 128.118.245.12, and this GET request also same, 128.119.245.12. So these were in parallel. Okay guys, I will move to fifth lab, fifth part of HTTP authentication. Hello guys, we are going to the last part of the second lab, HTTP. Last part is HTTP authentication. Here there is new field that authentication is required to access the web page. Here there will be given internet credentials. There will be given credentials of username and password. We have to enter it, and then we can access the page. First of all, go to Wireshark and start the packet capturing. Now, copy this link, and main thing here is that I have to remember this username and this password without code. Wireshark students is the username and network is the password. Open the link in new tab. You will ask for the username and password here. Here we have to enter Wireshark students network. Now we can access this page. We have to go to the Wireshark and stop the packet capturing. Here we have to enter HTTP. This is specific. We can see these are the HTTP protocol files or packets. Now we have to answer the questions given here. First question: what is the server's response? State it means status code and phrase in response to the initial HTTP GET message from your browser. For the initial HTTP GET message was this one. For this, what is the server's response? It means what is its response is this one, and in this response, what is the status code and phrase? For this, you can see here status code is 401 and response phrase is unauthorized. And second question: when your browser sends the HTTP GET message for the second time, what new field is included in the HTTP GET message? In the HTTP GET message, in second one, what new field is included? Here we can see that here the new field is authorization. Authorization field is included, but in first initial file there was no this file. See, there is no authorization field, but here in second HTTP GET file there is this authorization field. So the answer is authorization field. Okay guys, this was the second lab, all parts 1 2 3 4 5 parts we have completed just now. Now after this we'll go to third lab. Until then, okay.